is great. And on to the next flight. So I've just paid to go to the upper deck of Glasgow Airport. Just going to chill out, get some food, and then we'll be on our way at 3. It was £23 for this. You get free drinks, food, and Wi-Fi. So I'll probably just sit cruising the internet on that and get to power stuff. So I'll charge my laptop, get that all charged for the flight across, and have some entertainment downloaded as well. How is that for a spread? Cheese and onion sandwich, ham sandwich, pickle, olives, pretzels, and a nice wee latte to go. Oh, Glasgow Airport's internet is absolutely shocking. However, olives, sandwich, coffee, internet, all good still. Right, so had my time in the Sky Lounge, now off to the gate, had 1 pint, and that's about it, and some food. Now on to Reykjavik, and then on to Dulles Airport. Yeah, this vlog didn't really work as such. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Next clip is the surprise for her. I got picked up by her roommates and dropped off at the restaurant that her and the family were at, and yeah, this is how it panned out.
I wasn't even recording that whole time.
3 days of being in OC, and I filmed very little, but hopefully you've enjoyed the sort of boardwalk and the bits and pieces that I have filmed. Yeah, other than that, we're just about to head back along the road, taking Georgie for a walk whilst they're getting the place in order, and yeah, then on the way back to DC. Alright, so as you'll see, we're back in DC. I got incredibly burnt whilst at OC. Apologies for this being late. Under this light I look really red. I'm going to move. Apologies for this being really late. I didn't intend on it being late. Had some Wi-Fi issues, all of that sort of thing. But yeah, the announcement was going to be that I will be doing daily videos. It's kind of fallen by the wayside so far. However, fingers crossed, it will start as of tomorrow. I may upload this as a full travel video, which is yet to be seen. There is other content that will be coming out. Filmmaker versus beginner and such likes. But yeah, I'm going to kind of try and enjoy spending time with Belle. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up like rating. Give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content from me, consider subscribing. It's not entirely necessary. However, it's always nice to see. And if you're new here, welcome. But yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. I'm gonna grab a shower and head up to Belle's work. Today was out at Great Falls, so there'll be some photos up on my Instagram. The handle is down below if you want to check out any of my social media handles or pages. They're down below, give them a click, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, guys, keep it real on that thrill. Peace.